Hello and welcome back to the Road to Good Cooking, and today I'm going to show you another big game day idea. And check out this burger. This is just not your ordinary burger. This burger is jam-packed with flavor, and spinach egg omelet, spinach underneath, cheesy beef burger on the top, and all of that goodness stuffed inside a homemade bun. Let me show you how I put it all together. Now the next few steps are going to be really self-explanatory, so just sit back and watch me work. One more thing I forgot to mention. I know you guys have noticed the price of beef and how much it's gone up in the grocery stores. And if you're feeding some hungry people, some greedy people, you definitely want to save a few dollars on your burgers. So that's why I came up with the idea of putting a lot of people like to have burgers with those runny eggs on it. I'm not one for runny eggs. If you want to make it like that, go for it. But this one with the egg omelet, the spinach egg omelet that I'm making here, it's going to make that burger very, very hearty, very filling, and it'll save your pocketbook on buying a whole bunch of ground beef that, is sky high. So cut some corners when you can, but it'll still be a very good burger. So don't feel bad. Don't feel bad at all. Make you a burger with an egg omelet on the top and call it a day. All right, let me get back to work. dressing ever. Spinach. Some more lettuce. Put the egg on. Okay. Bon appetit. Mmm. 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 Heaven. Wow. This burger is so good, as you can tell by the way that I am chowing down on it. It is filling, it's satisfying, it's full of flavor, and I have so many different flavors going on in this burger. It's just insanely delicious. And I've had my tomatoes and my peppers on the side there. You can't see them because I had, my burger was big enough and I didn't want it to fall apart on me, so I put everything on the side. And you know what? This is a really fun way to make a burger. What can I say? And your guests won't feel slighted. They won't feel like you went on the cheap with them for the sandwich. I mean, when they see all the time and effort that you put into making it, and it's going to look like you've been working on it all day long. But hey, that's our little secret. We won't tell them. But I hope you all have a wonderful Super Bowl party weekend, and I don't know if I'm going to be back on before then. I have been commissioned by 5 of my old catering clients to do party trays, so I have like 25 party trays to put together this week, along with making a whole bunch of sausage and some all beef hot dogs, which I will come on after the Super Bowl and after I get rested up, and I'll show you how I made those beef hot dogs. They're super, super good. All right, so anyway, have a good weekend. Have a safe weekend. Enjoy your family and your friends. Everybody be safe, and I'll see you when I see you. Be blessed. Cook you some burgers and have a good time.